We're at the Fairfax County Government Center. This is the Murph Challenge. It's dedicated to Lieutenant Michael Murphy, who lost his life serving our country, protecting us over in Afghanistan. He was a Navy SEAL. It was one of his favorite workouts to do. He put on a 20-pound vest and he would do the 1 mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats, and another mile run.
We're trying to get some different exposure. You know, the county employees don't get involved a lot. They don't really get to see all the things that the fire department does. The fire department does it at their place, so they don't get to come out here. So we thought it'd be a good juncture just to come together and see if we can't get the best of both worlds.
We're doing it here mostly because we wanted to make sure we were getting out to not just our tactical athletes in the fire department, but police, the sheriff's department, as well as our county employees. One Fairfax mentality.
I think that if you look at the age brackets that we're dealing with, between 25 and 50, there's a lot of challenges that takes place as the years go on. So activity like this is definitely one way of enhancing that ability.
Teaching and educating, which is our biggest goal as a staff at WellFit, is teaching someone how to move better, how to reduce the risk of a potential injury, and then inevitably, throughout life, people do tend to get hurt. So having that baseline of strength and conditioning will help them recover quicker, a little bit better, and just feel better overall mentally. So longer life, longer career type of mentality.
And this right here is a different kind of concept, a little bit rugged. 100 pull-ups, who can do 100 pull-ups? I think the challenges that we put before them, they accepted it very well. So I'm really pleased to see that the participation is high and people that's getting out of their comfort zone.
If you're a happier person from fitness and stuff like that, you become a better employee, you do more for the job, more for the county. But I also think it's the brotherhood, sisterhood. It's bringing everyone together, and again, you learn a lot about yourself, but then you also learn about the brother or the sister next to you, and that's kind of the military mentality, which also brings it back to the Murph. It's about sacrifice, dedication, but it's having fun and learning something new about yourself that maybe you didn't know, and to push yourself a little further.